Rvssian, I heard Vybz Kartel want to do a song with me. You need to cook up the best motherfucking song for us. You gotta cook it up. Put a Scotch bonnet in that motherfucking song.
Any collabs with Drake, Cardi, Khaled? But one of them collabs there because I need it for the American station.
Definitely Drake. And definitely Cardi B. But
Mr. Cardi, she love you, you know?
Yeah, man, Cardi, I'm a G, man.
Yeah, man, Cardi
big
love
up
you.
Cardi, man. I one back Cardi, you know.
Pardi gang.
Yeah, man, Pardi gang, man. Out, man. You see me, one Bronx.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but there's a few trending topics I see popping in dancehall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. With that being said, it looks like Cardi B and dancehall king Vybz Kartel dream is about to come true, because as you can see, Rvssian is gonna make it happen. You feel me? I say, you know, Rvssian is a big time Jamaican producer, and he's about to go in the lab and cook something up for, you know, the two of them to give us some hits. You see, man, I say, put in the comment section what type of music you're looking from the two. Some reggaeton, some hip-hop, or some dancehall, or some of everything. You see, man, I say.
Somebody said, do you see what Vybz Kartel said about you? Yo, I have to hit up Rvssian because I want to make the most perfect, beautiful, amazing song with Vybz Kartel. He's really my favorite artist. Like, he's literally my #1 artist. My favorite artist in the whole wide fucking world. Vybz Kartel, he's my favorite artist.
So any collabs with Drake, Cardi, Khaled? But one of them collabs there because I need it for the American station.
Definitely Drake. And definitely Cardi B. But
Mr. Cardi, she love you, you know?
Yeah, man, Cardi, I'm a G, man.
Yeah, man, Cardi
big
love
up
you.
Cardi, man. I one back Cardi, you know.
Pardi gang.
Yeah, man, Pardi gang, man. Out, man.
Okay, people, dancehall artist Jada Kingdom is coming under heavy fire for seemingly want to keep Pardi baby and take child support off of him. You see, man, I say, put in the comment section where you think about that, because, you know, them say girl look different. And, you know, baby different. You see, man, I say, as you can see, Pardi saying, you know, he has a few secrets. A few promises he has to keep. So let's listen to what Jada is saying, because it's like she'll get upset telling people that she broke up with Homeboy. You know what I mean? That we reviewed several months ago. You see my son?
You single now, my karaoke, my album, my CD, my mixtape. Man. Stop asking me fuck with man. So, I tell you how to see. So I come here, you know. Chaman. Me say me a pass by, here uno come, here uno go. What happened to uno? Man. You have a baby? Yes, I have a son. I have a boy, baby. You hear me? I back a ball. Shh. You know hear him? Why not him that? A cricket? How was that? I was on so. I know about your things. No man, I put him asleep. I can't him that wake up. I tell you the truth. I could him that wake up a while ago. Can't him have sense. Can't him. Baby asleep. When we play with girls, we love girl gamers. Love down. So yeah, that's good. Like GTRP, COD. I don't know. I want to try some scary games for this Halloween thing. So I might try some scary games, but do a vlog one day. You're asking much of me. I'm not sure if I can comply. Me no know. I don't know about the vlog. I don't know about the vlog. Maybe. I can see. And you know what's crazy? We have so much vlog clips. I have vlog clips from like 4 years ago. I promise. I don't know, bro. I don't like the media, you know. One time you see me, I know I can make a food. I don't care. Like, it's crazy. But I go try.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that, and let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, a quick update on this Noel situation with Donnelly. As you can see, her mother is dealing with Noel's baby mother wickedly. Smile says, like, she get a vision and she's saying, whoa, Katie Ann Smith, how dare you think you was going to get away with involvement in the death of my daughter Donnelly, Sophia Donnelly Donson. All of you who are involved think that this is crime will be covered up for life. No. You remember the NSA battle? Yes, the NSA battle. Your sweet baby girl and your son happiness. Life depend on your actions and you need to run now to the authorities and confess what took place on the evening of Tuesday, 12th of July, 2022. Ask yourself, is it worth it? Your time is limited. If you fail to do so by such time, you left me no choice but to put everything out to, the world, myself. Story coming to a bump now. Remember, I told you, no justice, no peace. So, boy. Put in the comment section where you think about that. I said, because no dancehall Queen Amari is talking about, these demons out here in dancehall and Jamaica. She's targeting internet sensation Ivany and dancehall King Vybz Kartel. You see what I said? Because, they seem to be the most popular of, the two, what I mean? boy. But seriously, let's hear what the Queen has said and then we'll proceed.
I refuse to, be on social media just doing a whole lot of crap, I don't mind stopping by every now and then and giving you something to laugh about. But to be on social media and fool myself that I'm all that, the type of people around here that all think that they're queens and they run things and they're kings, and Vybz Kartel, who they bow down and worship to, and I don't want to be a part of it. I don't. Like, when we see these people with their children, we're like, oh, they look so cute, father and son. But if you're really Vybz Kartel and another woman lost her son, or so many women lost their sons because of you, why should I serenade you and your children? I'm telling you. This is the reason why we have the storms, the earthquake and everything, because people on social media, they're demonetizing, not monetizing money, demonetizing demon. They're demonetizing everything. Such a coincidence that the same word means to demonetize, to take away your money. Because if I want to make $1 million on social media, I just gotta come on here and deal with all the BS. But I refuse to. So if you are not a part of all the garbage, there's no money to be made here. They demonetize you. Demonetize. It's like you gotta become a demon, else you ain't getting a dime. Keep your money. Keep it. I have never been the same. I've never been like these people. I've always been different. Be careful who you follow. Be very, very, very careful. They're going to lead you to hell. So the last 3 weeks, while people were watching dirty crotches people like Queenie, piss up bed people like, what's her name, Candy. Oh my God. I mean, right now on social media, if you're decent, you look nice, you have class, ain't nobody want to see you. You understand? And dirty Ivany, these are the mongrels, these are the whores that they watch. Dirty, wicked, working spice. Harlot, groupie, Chancy. These are the people that are leading them straight to hell. And ain't nobody want to hear Amari saying, guys, listen, tune out, unfollow. Let's deal with positiveness. Even when you're trying to say that, people are like, go put on some weight, go boil, put some porridge, your maga. And I'm saying, guys, there's a time for everything. Because pretty much I condition myself because I know that there's a time to eat and a time not to. A time to fast and a time to pray. I know that there is a time when we will be on these streets in lines for food starting tomorrow. In lines, all these people with the rich cars in Florida, the big houses and everything, a lot of them are going to be on the streets. I've been on these streets. I used to live on these streets. When I was on these streets, I asked God why. God pretty much told me that he was training me for what was to come. So if I go back on these streets, it won't really affect me. But for those who are not used to it, it will truly affect them. You see, right where I live right now, I used to look at these houses. I used to watch them turn off the lights while I'm either sitting at a bus stop with my children or sitting at McDonald's, or when I eventually pawned my computer and put it down on a vehicle and was living in the vehicle with all my kids. You may not know, but I'm the proud mother of 13 children that the fathers never looked back on. I was left to raise them on my own. And yeah, we've been on these streets. I've been on these streets. Living day by day. And online, I was mocked, I was jeered, mother of 13, live on the streets, instead of people helping. But a lot of my goodies were there for me, don't get me wrong. They're still there with me till this day. But, you know, the majority of people who don't know God, there was one girl by the name of Fret Them and Dr. Love. They would taunt me, make my life a living hell. call the police on me, try to find out my location, call the CPS, try to take away my kids. If I found somewhere to lay my head, they would call the landlord and let the landlord get scared and get rid of me and don't even want my rent. So because of the internet, I ended up on these streets running for my life. And all it was I didn't ask God to be famous. And they basically wanted it for themselves and they were willing to kill me for it. Like these people on TikTok, taking you for granted. One thing I can tell you though, is that because I knew something was going to happen, I was prepared more than most people. I have enough food, toilet paper. Girl, we worked the past few weeks because anything I tell my family, they know is the truth. And I tell them, listen, a storm is coming. And when the storm came, I say, another one is coming. And I have a special pantry where I pack everything. It's been over a month. I don't stop packing and everything. And I have a suitcase. I have 2 suitcases in case I have to go to a shelter. Because I don't want to go to a shelter and everybody be like, Amari, and I look like Cruff. No, I still got to be in the shelter in my boots and my wigs. You know what I mean? If I'm going to die, I'm going to die fine. Freak. You know what I mean? So I really prepared. Well, apart from being terrified a couple times, how did I make it through the storm so far? Well, I got all these stuff from TikTok, electrical equipment for my face to massage my body. I got a lot of salts and lotion, and because the other day I was running rampant on TikTok before I got like super tired, and but I'll be back. And I got all these stuff. So I decided that I was going to ride out the storm by getting a facial, spa treatment, massage my body, the whole works, drink certain things. I just drank this immunity drink and just take life easy. So that's what I've done throughout the storm, and pray continuously, worshiping God who is worthy to be praised, and since we've been talking, it's starting to sound much better outside. Let's see.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. We're not going to longer this no longer because we have more bagger for drop. This is my access, so keep it locked. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop. Bless.